YouTube, what's going on, y'all? I hope y'all having a good day, my ladies, especially. I hope y'all having a fantastic night. To my smokers, if you ain't got what you gotta go get what you gotta get. Shout out everybody that had to clock in today too, man. I'm tired of shit. Your boy worked all day, but we gotta get that chicken, man. So you had to clock in today and bust some ass. Shout out to you, bro. Unfortunately, nigga was cleaning snow off of trucks for all morning, bro. And my knee is fucked up. Now, if y'all don't know, hold on, let me yap for a minute. Now, if y'all don't know, my knee is super fucked up. In 2019, I was playing basketball, and I went up for a dunk. And when I went up for the dunk, I got hip, like kind of hip checked, so I came down sideways. So I tried to land on one leg, and I can hear every hooper scream right when I said that, saying that's the worst idea that probably I made in my entire life. And you're 100% right, it is. Because right when I landed, I tore my ACL, LCL, MCL, and meniscus all at the same time. And at first, I don't know, I blacked out for a second. And then my boy came up to me, he's like, "Are you good?" And I'm like, I don't know. Like, I don't feel nothing. Like, I think I'm straight. He's like, "Okay, can you get up?" And then I got up, I stood up, I was Gucci. I was like, "Okay, yeah, I'm good. I think I just need to go get some water, walk it off. Like, you feel me? I'll hit the next game." Right? So I walk over to the water fountain, like normal, like nothing's wrong. I get some water, sit down. I'm yapping too long. I know I'm gonna get to the video. I'm almost done. I go get some water, I sit down, and I swear to God, bro, I started to black out. Like right on the bench. And I'm like, I noticed I'm passing out. And thank God I was, at this time, I'd already been in the military for a couple years. So I realized that I'm blacking out, and I start to treat myself for shock on the spot. So I lay down, I throw my legs up, like how they taught us to, and I start like kind of like coming back too, because I can't even talk to these niggas. I'm trying to tell them like, yo, I need help, and I can't even like get words out. So like after a couple seconds, like I can yell out to my boy like, "Yo, like I need help." He's like, "Yo, are you good?" And then like I lifted my shorts up for a second. Shit was the size of a softball, nigga. It was over. Probably a grapefruit, realistically. Shit was huge. So that's what happened to my knee. So I don't know, random lore dump. So that gave y'all plenty of time to get a snack and go to the bathroom and get your bev and roll up shit. So let's get into this video. I'm sure this shit gonna be crazy. Ewu, don't miss. Let's see what they got going.
Get the fuck on your back. Come here, get the fuck on your stomach. Don't move! Don't move! You move, I shoot you! Shots fired! Officer needs help!
Shoppers browsing for costumes and spooky decorations are shocked when a deadly shooting erupts in Albuquerque, New Mexico. The fatal encounter is captured by a body cam, but the man wearing it isn't a police officer. He's a security guard assigned to a Spirit Halloween store.
Mama killed somebody!
You mean, why the fuck does Spirit Halloween have armed security? And he smoked a nigga? For over a costume? No, bro, no.
Why?
The following report is based on official police records, and most of the footage has never been seen before until now.
What?
Please note that all persons charged with a crime
Not for nothing, bro, and no disrespect to the man, because we don't know what happened. We don't know if he was a good guy, bad guy. We don't know what happened yet. We gotta watch the situation. I'll be damned if I get smoked by a nigga at a Spirit Halloween, let alone some fake-ass security guard, bro. Fuck that. But hell no, bro. I'm not going out like that. I'm sorry, bro. That shit would just never happen.
And until proven guilty in a court of law. On October 16th, 2025,
this shit just
a
happened.
25-year-old armed security guard named Josiah Armijo is keeping watch.
Oh, and this nigga look like a loser, bro. Oh my God, you know he had something to prove. He looked like a loser. Oh my God, he got no hose on his dick. I knew a real nigga could have did some shit like this, bro.
Current post. a Spirit Halloween seasonal
Who
costume
is taking
store that
armed
seems
security?
to greatly
Why does
require his
Spirit
services.
Halloween have armed
I'm here to
security?
patrol requesting an 82. Got 5 documents currently stealing from the store at the Spirit off of Carlisle and Indian School. Hey, I caught him concealing it. Hey guys, I need you to leave the store. I need you guys to leave the store. I saw you concealing a shirt, so I need you and your friends to leave. Let's go. Put the hat down, let's go. Put this stuff down. You guys are no longer walking in Spirit, alright? This idiot stuck a shirt in his pants. I kicked them all out.
Alright, bro. Spirit Halloween. Kick him out and let's go, bro. And trespass him, and it is what it is.
Not knowing that he's less than an hour away from a much more serious encounter that will change the course of his life. It begins when a customer's appearance attracts the attention of Josiah and store employees.
I asked him if he was good. He's bleeding from his hands.
I know.
He's a crackhead.
I know he is.
I
You
mean,
gave
he
him
smoked
tissue.
out. He smoked out like.
And see if he wants. I know where he's at. I've been trying to keep an eye on him.
I know. I watched you by the door.
I am. He's tripping, bro.
Josiah moves to a position where he can better watch the man, who authorities will later identify as 41-year-old Chase Beltramo. When Chase heads for the front door with items he hasn't purchased, Josiah breaks into a sprint and a chaotic, violent encounter begins.
Oh, and this nigga think he top flight security, bro.
Get the on your back. Come here. Get the on your stomach, bitch. Get the on your...
God, this nigga think he a cop, bro. He said, yeah, bitch, get on your stomach, bitch. He been waiting like 25 years for this. He's dead ass been waiting his whole life for this moment, bro. To prove, oh yeah, I'm big, I'm tough. He been waiting on this shit.
82 to Carlisle! Don't move! Don't move! You move, I shoot you!
Brother. What the fuck?
You move, I shoot you! Get on your back! Get on your...
Bro, you're still getting beat up by this nigga after you pepper sprayed him. You pepper sprayed the nigga and tackled him from behind, and he's still about to whoop your ass, bro. And then you smoked him over a costume. Now again, hold on. No, that's not really 100% true, because he was randomly assaulting this woman in the front. I don't really know what the fuck was up with that. That this whole thing started. He's like trying to steal some shit. Did you like was killing him like a lot of this has to do with his demeanor through this too. Like he's like, yeah, bitch, get on your stomach, bitch, or I'll shoot you. Like at no point was he armed, bro. Just push him off the lady and tell him to get the fuck out of here, bro. And if he fight back, pepper spray him. If that don't work, tase him. Feel me? Call the cops. Call the real police. Like what the fuck? I just can't believe this, bro.
Get on your...
He's still about to get his ass whooped.
Josiah's body cam falls to the ground and 3 gunshots ring out.
Shots fired! Officer needs help!
Officer needs help. He's a security guard at Spirit Halloween.
Cops! Hey, we're coming, please, bro. Hey, take it easy, we're coming, please. Hey, I'm firing off orders. Back up, bro. You're good, you safe, bro. Shot. Get him in. How are you? I'm good, get him in. You killed him, bro. He's done. Bro.
Josiah reattaches his body cam, but he's a long way from processing what just happened.
He's gonna help. Son of a... Call 911.
Shots! Who the f is my backup?
You stay down right here. Hey.
Wait, who is your backup? You're not a police officer. Who does he think he on the radio with? Your partner on break, he's smoking in a car. He just got some KFC, you better bust that down. He got like 25 minutes left on his break. You don't have any backup, nigga. You're just supposed to stand there. What the fuck?
Get the face, bro. Where's some bad shit? Relax.
And now this nigga wanna have a panic attack.
Shots fired! Shots fired!
This nigga crying like a pussy too. I would be so mad if this is the nigga that killed me. God, let me get a redo. There's no way. Let me get rebirth, please. Please, one respawn. There's no way this is the nigga that killed me. His brain active for 7 minutes. As long as he didn't get, oh, they said he was gone pretty immune. He might have hit that switch, I ain't gonna lie. But if his brain is active for 7 minutes after he died, imagine you hear the nigga that killed you, this is what he sound like.
Landon shot someone!
He didn't call 911, he didn't call an ambulance, he called his mom. You going to jail for a long time, my nigga. You are going to jail for a long ass time. This is just insane. This is just fucking bizarre, dude.
I had to, bro. I had to.
You had to? You chased him out of the store.
For the Albuquerque Police Department, who were rushing to the scene. In the meantime, Josiah makes another call.
Call mom.
Sit down. There you go. Have a seat, bro. Have a seat. There you go. Go, go. It's all right, buddy.
Mom, I killed somebody. I had to shoot him. I had to. Carlisle.
Oh, this nigga crying and snotting all over the fucking man. I got smoked by a pussy. Oh my god, this would be a stain on my legacy. Oh my god, man. I just can't get over this shit, dude.
He was fighting me. He was reaching for my stuff. I had to.
You hear me? Yeah. You know where you shot him at? Right.
Point blank, bro. Twice.
Point blank where? In the face?
Chest.
Right there.
Where we're trained to do. Where we're trained.
Ooh.
Yeah, I had to.
Josiah's direct employer is New Mexico Security Services, and soon his co-worker arrives and jumps into action.
Help him!
Mind you, this is the first aid he's getting. He hasn't gotten help from anybody else prior to this minute. So, right? So, right now he's doing CPR. It's 4:05. Fuck. 10:16. Oh, no. It's 5:06. Okay, it's 5:06. Okay. No, the 16 threw me off. So it's 4:05, right? He shot him.
Shoot you! Get on your
And falls to the ground.
4:59. Shots fired, call the cops. 4:59, right? We'll say it happened 30 seconds before this, maybe. So we'll call it 4:59, right? So from 4:59...
Twice. Where we're trained.
Did you shoot him with a gun?
Security services.
Help him.
4:59 to 5:06. It's been 7 minutes. So that 7 minutes we talked about where his brain was still active, could have been still alive after he died. This is now the first minute he's getting help. Is after those 7 minutes were up. Just let that be known.
Come on. Come on. Did he attack you?
Huh?
Did he attack you?
We were throwing blows.
Yeah.
Come on.
Couldn't say yes.
What
Couldn't say yes.
Stealing them from the store.
Shoplifting. You tried to stop the shoplifting.
As witnesses try to get the story from Josiah, the first cops arrive.
You're in the shop? Okay.
I'm sorry. Why? Why?
Josiah is relieved of his body cam, which now records him being placed in handcuffs.
Put you behind. Give me the thing for now, okay? Can you put... Thank you.
Yeah, it's real.
Is it?
Yo, this officer, bad as fuck. Yo, if there was by any chance you could see this video, man, hey, she bad as fuck. I ain't gonna lie, bro. She is bad as fuck, gang. I ain't gonna lie.
Did it record us to the footage? Yeah. It should have my whole situation. You have a way of.
Yeah.
I need to call my lawyer.
Thank you. We're gonna go back to the car, okay?
Bro. That shit fucked the whole video up for me. I'm like,
To view it, we'd like to.
damn,
Josiah
I ain't never seen a murderer get arrested by two fine ass officers. Oh, let me stop,
his body
bro. Let
cam
me
will
stop,
give
please.
investigators a clear
Oh
view
my
of the
God.
incident. And soon, additional footage will show the deadly confrontation from a very different perspective.
Do you need an ambulance check on you? What's wrong with you?
I feel like passing
You
out.
feel like you're gonna pass out? Okay. Roll your windows down.
So you were fighting this guy. I don't need too much details. And there's more injuries for yourself. But,
I don't know.
okay.
It's not gonna feel thick.
All right. But you said he hit you.
Well, he ran out. He pushed the manager, assistant manager of the. So I came out running.
But you weren't stabbed or anything. No.
No.
Okay.
I tried macing him with OC spray. He started grabbing stuff, so I pulled out my gun and.
Okay. And you don't have to tell me any of that stuff.
Medics advise Josiah to keep his breathing calm and controlled, which may be
He
easier
said,
said
you didn't have to tell me any of that stuff. God, stop snitching on yourself.
than done.
This is going on TikTok.
As it turns
You're
out,
right,
that
the shit
may
is
be
going
the
on
least
TikTok.
of
I'm gonna upload this
Josiah's
shit tonight.
worries. Despite the efforts of first responders, Chase Beltramo dies in the parking lot from a gunshot wound to the upper torso.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. Forgive me. Forgive me. Forgive I'm sorry.
The investigation stretches into the night, and as homicide detectives prepare to speak with Josiah, Spirit Halloween representatives have to decide on their next step.
So corporate's directed us to basically stay closed indefinitely.
Indefinitely?
You done fucked up everybody's check. I would be so mad, bro. This is a seasonal job. It's Spirit Halloween. Realistically, once it hit like November 5th, we out of a job. This is just my second job for a couple weeks. You done fucked my whole paycheck up. Are you serious? Oh my God. God damn, Officer Durham.
No, why?
Officer Fine as fuck, man.
They don't have to be indefinite.
You think this store could be open tomorrow?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. We need our Halloween stuff.
Exactly.
At the station, Josiah tries to get a sense of where this investigation
She's a
might
little
be
bit
going.
crazy, but that's kind of how I like
Did you see the footage of this one?
Yeah, I saw the footage of this one.
Was it like clear or what?
Yeah, like the quality was really good of the video.
What are your thoughts? Because
I can't say my thoughts.
Investigators will have to use witness statements and footage to make their determinations because Josiah has little to say about the incident.
Do you guys record?
We record every incident that we get into.
Okay, good. That's it. I've always found it helpful, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
It falls to your benefit all the time, from my point of view.
It does.
Would you like to talk to us about the evening, this event tonight?
I will, but I have an attorney because we have right to bear.
Okay.
So, but I don't know their number.
You don't got your lawyer's number? Oh, is this a company provided lawyer? I think it's a company provided lawyer.
Time they said that if we get in a shooting to call them and they'll help us through the process.
Josiah is referring to a special liability policy he purchased that offers members legal aid if they're involved in a self-defense incident. The detectives agree to help put him in contact with one of the company's lawyers.
I'm an attorney in Colorado with the Right to Bear Network, and from what I hear right now, this is an incident that may or may not be covered by Right to Bear, depending on what the charges are, the outcome, and some additional investigation.
Is your client willing to answer questions with your presence? How would you like us to proceed?
The lawyer explains that Josiah cannot be his client because he's from out of state and not licensed in New Mexico, but he recommends that Josiah be given time to rest and find a local attorney before answering questions. But if a good night's sleep is the key, Josiah's accommodations are perhaps less than ideal.
Good morning. I'll take you out of handcuffs. Or I'm gonna take you out of this one. Go to city glass on if you want.
If you talk to the DA, you're probably gonna be out in like a day or two.
A day or two?
Yeah. Meaning day could be tomorrow morning, depends on when the judge sees you. It could be either this morning, which is Friday morning, or Saturday morning. You don't have a huge criminal record, you don't have any of that, all that stuff is not there. So they're most likely going to release you. That's just based off of what the DA believes. Now the judge has a whole different aspect about it, okay? But you're being held, you're not held on what's called an open count of murder, or is there a criminal charge, meaning that there's no first degree charges. We don't have a first degree murder. It's going to be second or something below, and then get a hold of an attorney here in town and then work from there, okay?
For now, however, Josiah is taken to the Metropolitan Detention Center. En route, he asks for a small favor.
So I think it's like it looks like a vape or something?
Yeah.
That can't go if you...
Can I hit it before you toss it away?
I think I can let you do that.
That's valid. W cop. There's no harm in that. One last hit.
Like all day.
It looks big.
At the jail, the officer not only takes Josiah's vape, but his
He's still a
security
lame ass
badges
nigga,
as
but
well.
W cop.
I don't know how much people have heard and, who's in there and stuff, so we got people giving you issues, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Inside the booking area, issues do indeed materialize, but the anger isn't directed at Josiah.
Sit down, bro. Sit down, you dick. Stop. Whatever you.
She fine too. Where is this? This is in New Mexico? I gotta move to New Mexico. I gotta move to the south, somewhere where it's hot. Holy fuck.
You guys like you on Central.
She fine too.
No. Where's your donut?
Oh my God.
When peace is restored, the officers take a look at some of the first shocking images.
Tell me she's not bad. Come on, she's not bad. I thought she was a little bit better from far away, but she's still bad. Come on.
Is from tonight's incident at Spirit Halloween.
Oh, that's my guy, 27-1.
Oh, These images come from surveillance cameras at the store, one of which provides a new vantage point on the tragic altercation, right from the moment a store employee intervenes to keep Chase Beltramo from stealing, and only seconds before Josiah rushes in.
Oh, so he was trying to steal, she was trying to stop it. So this whole time I was thinking that this was a random lady walking out with shit to go to her car or something, and he tried to run out and steal it from her. The whole time he was already walking out stealing, so he didn't really assault the girl, he just kind of got into a tugging match with her. And then this nigga ran up and tackled him and killed him. And you can't even claim, because she works there, so you can't even claim that he thought it was a random lady. She got the apron on and everything. Like, he knows what she looked like. Like, you feel me? He knows who that was. I would have almost saw it his way if that was like a random, like, old lady or something. And he's like trying to beat up this old lady outside. And he got into a tussle match, and then, you feel me? Like, maybe there's a slim chance, like, there may be somewhere, but my nigga, you about to get booked for murder off this. Niggas are watching this.
Roughly a minute into the chaos, both men roll out of view. Only seconds later, 3 gunshots bring the confrontation to an end. As dramatic as the footage is, the case soon hits a snag, the first hint of which detectives got when they called Josiah's mother earlier tonight.
You called me on my work phone, and I don't feel comfortable speaking to you on my work phone. How did you get my work number?
We have one of the district attorneys with us, and she was able to work through. They have your guys' information. We do not.
As the detective explains the next day, her employment puts a wrinkle in the prosecution.
Mijo's mother works for the district attorney's office.
Oh, geez.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
I didn't actually know that even.
Yeah. So to ensure that there is no complications further in the case, all of this is going to be handed over to an actual attorney in the city that does not work with the district attorney's office.
Does he have any charges against him yet, or?
Yes, we did charge him with second-degree murder last night.
So when we were watching the footage, it looks to be self-defense, because it looks like the guy had a hacksaw or something that he was trying to hit him with.
The victim, Chase Beltramo, did have previous run-ins with the law, including a 2013 conviction for misdemeanor shoplifting and a 2014 felony conviction for residential burglary. Josiah's fate, however, will not be based on the victim's past, but by what is seen in the footage, including his own body cam recording.
You f***ing move, I shoot you!
When investigators review all the footage and speak to the witnesses on scene, they conclude that Chase Beltramo was not armed at any point in the altercation.
So he doesn't have an expectation of privacy on a camera that is provided to him. They do this for their legal means to be able to say, hey, you did this within our policies. No, you did this with outside our policies. It's the same thing we do with ours. Like if we're recording for the purpose of legal bounds, but it also keeps us within.
It protects everybody.
Yeah, it protects everybody. Yeah. It tells you that the officer was
doing something wrong, or
I mean, to be frank, being an absolute
The arrest affidavit against 25-year-old Josiah Armijo argues that while he may have had probable cause to stop Chase from shoplifting, Chase seemed to be attempting to flee the scene until Josiah put him in a life-threatening position by pointing a loaded weapon at him.
Don't move! Don't move!
The affidavit also criticizes Josiah's use of pepper spray only inches away from Chase's face. The document concludes
pressure alone from
because
that shit
Josiah
probably
didn't
hurt
have
if
the
Adrian
necessary need for the use of deadly force. He was charged with second-degree murder for the shooting of Chase. Josiah Armijo was released on his own recognizance 2 days after the incident. Court records indicate that he has entered a plea of not guilty. If you'd like to see select new videos early,
This shit just happened right before Halloween, so this nigga hasn't even gone to jail yet. He's just free, waiting to go to trial. This is insane, dude. What the fuck? I can't believe if this is the type of nigga that smoked me, bro, I would be livid. I would be pleading with God for a redo, bro. Like, no way. My life came to an end in a Spirit Halloween parking lot over $36 worth of merchandise because the security guard felt like he needed to prove a Stay safe out there, y'all. I'll catch y'all in the next one.